Gonna let us pass. You shall not pass.
Aku tak nak.
Oh shit! Don't run. Don't run. Oh, what a relaxing morning here in Langkawi. Probably one of the few relaxing mornings on this trip, to be honest. I am on my own, by myself, enjoying a swim. Finally feels like I'm on a relaxing holiday. But yeah, technically we should be checking out in an hour, and our flight back to KL is at 4 o'clock this afternoon. But obviously I'm not going to go back to KL. I don't think I could spend another day with her, another half a day with her. It's just way too awkward and it's unpleasant, and yeah, it's just not the way I want to be spending my holiday. So she's gonna go back on her own, and originally I was wanting to go up to Georgetown, Penang for 2 days, you know, the street food and a bit of change in pace, but you know, it's just too much hassle for 2 days, you know, catch a flight. It's not really about the cost, it's pretty cheap to go there, but you know how it is, you have to go to the airport, check in, get to the place, transfer, and then do it all again to come back to KL, where I'm already here in this beautiful place, got a pool. So I think I might just consider extending my stay here, even if I have to pay a little bit extra. Treat myself to something nice, a bit of peace and quiet in this nice resort. So I think that's what I'll do after my swim. Maybe I could kind of downgrade to a bit of a cheaper but still nice room. So yeah, still plenty coming up. You know, it's Thursday now, I fly out on Saturday. So yeah, we can still fit in a lot more things here in Langkawi. Look at Rain, champion swimmer. How long did you do swimming for?
2 years.
2 years.
In school.
And then, like, what's the longest that you did? Like back in, no, like
4x4. Plus. Alright guys, we have now gotten rid of the bad vibe and we are on our way to make the most of the day. Oh my gosh, no, that's probably a bit too harsh. I just dropped off Rain at the airport, and I don't want to say anything bad, but literally it feels like a load off my shoulders. I am finally traveling on my own. I don't have to worry about anyone, I don't worry about anyone's feelings, I don't have to worry about upsetting anyone. I am now on my own to do whatever I want. But anyway, I hope she's not gonna end up watching this, otherwise she's not gonna be very happy. But anyway, so second half of the day, it is 3:30 now. We have to make it to Tangjung Rhu port. Nina's there with her friends and kids. They are going on a mangrove tour at, it was supposed to be at 3:30. Obviously I'm not going to make that, so I've asked to push it to 3:45, which we should make it, and then that will be our activity this afternoon. Actually stay and hang out at Tangjung Rhu, check out the sights, because yesterday we just didn't have time since we went straight back to Penang for the water sports. So yeah, extended my stay here, and it'll just be a more slower, relaxed pace and more cultural, more, you know, more seeing things out of the beaten path rather than at Penang beach. So yeah, super excited for what's coming up. You go there, later somebody call you.
Okay, just there? Okay, thanks.
Ini nama Josh ah?
Yeah, George.
Josh.
George.
Just
Yeah.
wait here for
Oh yes, time for the legit experience. I think I just missed the boat by a little bit, so I'm gonna hop on another one and hopefully catch up to Nina's boat. Hello, how are you? Good to see you.
Finally. Oh my god.
What a mission. What's up, boys?
What a mission.
Yeah.
I managed to hold it.
Oh no, thank you so much. You did well. You did well.
Come on, Josh, it's me now.
Oh, dude, this is freaking awesome. I love stuff like this. This is so
These
cool.
are the best.
Yeah, this is so cool. This is legit. Jomla, did you guys go swimming in here?
No,
Swimming with the fish?
no. Mama won't allow them. That's too dangerous.
It's just fish. Maybe
You
it's
mean
just
my
me.
YouTuber boy?
Nah, not famous, but I'll do a little video. What's name? Ryan who?
Ryan Higa.
Higa.
Ryan-
Is that Malaysia?
Higa.
Ryan Higa.
He's not Malaysian. I think he is Canadian.
Terima kasih, kami minta maaf. Okay.
Alright, we are now at our next stop of our mangrove tour and we are in Monkey Kingdom. Just kidding, not Monkey Kingdom. But there are a lot of monkeys around. I think this is the Bat Cave portion of the trip. We're just walking along here to the cave. Here we go. Perfect timing. We are down here and we're just gonna go along this little peninsula and there should be a cave somewhere in here, which is what we're gonna check out. Ah, the Bat Cave for the Batman.
You bawa kita orang. Orang tak tahu.
Don't know if I'll ever be able to take anything, but I'm just gonna keep the camera on just in case. Oh, jeez. Holy moly. Holy. Imagine they just all started flying at us. Gonna let us pass? You shall not pass.
Aku tak nak.
Oh shit. Don't run. Don't run. Hey. Okay, I'll walk through. We all have to stay together.
Please don't leave us here.
Okay, no, we have to stay together. Come on, let's go. The boss is coming. They're all scared of the boss. They're all scared of the boss. Bye bye. Hey! If you start running away, they'll run after you. You have to go at them. a boat tour. Didn't expect a full mangrove tour like that. I thought we were gonna go somewhere different, you know, just somewhere very local. But where we ended up going was where I went with Rena last time I was here, which was like a yacht tour around Kilim Geoforest National Park. Well, I think it's just Kilim Geoforest Park, maybe. We went to the same spot, and so glad I got to fly the drone to show you guys as best as I can how beautiful that place is. And it's just amazing seeing that sign in the middle of the forest, and then the boat just goes through that passage to go into the mangroves. So super glad I made it on that boat trip, because if I knew they went through that area, I would have been very disappointed I didn't make the boat. So yeah, so now we're here. It's sunset. We're still at Tangjung Rhu. I don't even have to say anything. These guys already know you know, what I like to do. They like to do it. We got the right vibes, and yeah, I'll just show you guys in a second where we are. But we are at Scarborough's Fish and Chips, and little local place right near the beach. Check out how beautiful this place is right next to Tangjung Rhu Beach. Oh, ice cream time. So not fish and chips, it's ice cream.
You want to taste?
Oh yeah, what's
Here,
what's
take the flavor.
Malay flavor? What's a Malaysian flavor?
There is English.
Oh,
Mango
English.
sorbet.
Check this place out. It is 6:30 now, and the sun's still pretty high up. It is a golden hour. Right now is when it is perfect to go around. Not too hot. I think the hottest here has been around 2:30, which is when I think it's really humid. The sun's up in the sky, but now it is just beautiful. Nice time to be out on the beach in a place like this. Palm tree life. Gonna get some ice cream and have a chill. Guys, I think that's gonna be it for today. Beautiful sunset here at Tangjung Rhu, as you can see. Beautiful colors. Yeah, glad I turned the camera on. The colors on this camera look absolutely insane. It's actually it looks a bit darker in real life, but that looks beautiful there. So we're just gonna head back now. I don't think I'm gonna party because that's what we've been doing the last 3 nights. So I think I'm just gonna go back to the villa. It's gonna be nice and peaceful. Myself there, just do whatever I want, just edit, look at footage, and just chill. Watch a bit of the NBA playoffs because it's getting pretty close. You want to say bye to the vlog?
Bye.
So hope you guys enjoyed the manga tour today, and
Bye.
we'll see you guys tomorrow.